Today, we are gonna have some fun making cornstarch dough with Aleene's Tacky glue and cornstarch. This is a really easy recipe. Parents, this is a great product that you can make for your kids to play with. My daughter Lily loves it. All right, so here is what you need for today's project. We're going to be using the gallon jug of Aleene's Tacky glue. I've also got cornstarch. We've got a measuring cup for our glue, some stir sticks, which are also known as popsicle sticks. You're gonna wanna use a throwaway container to mix in. And then I've got my Tulip Soft Paints so that I can actually color my dough and make some fun colors. And then of course, have some of those cookie cutters handy so that your kids can start playing right when you get done making it. All right, let's make it. For our first step, we are going to measure out our ingredients. You're going to use a 2-to-1 ratio. So 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part Aleene's Tacky glue. I'm going to start with 1 cup of cornstarch and a 1/2 cup of glue. Add a small amount of paint at a time to your glue and mix until you get the desired color. If you want it to be darker, continue to add more paint. Next, we're gonna add our 1 cup of cornstarch. Have some extra cornstarch and keep your glue handy because you might need to add a little bit extra based on if your dough is a little too crumbly or a little too wet. Once all the glue is absorbed in the cornstarch, you want to go ahead and get your hands dirty. So parents, take off any of your jewelry, watches, and use your hands to knead the dough. The more you knead it, the more of a dough consistency it's going to get. Now, if you think it's a little bit too dry, just add a smidge more of your tacky glue, or if you think it's a little too wet still, add a smidge more of cornstarch. All right, and knead it until you get one giant ball of dough. All right, you can see our blue dough is ready to go, and I also whipped up some pink, purple, and yellow. All right, all that's left to do is for your kiddos to have fun. Make sure that they're playing with it on a non-stick surface. I've got a mat here, but as long as you do it on countertops, you should be fine. But they can have fun stretching it, pressing it down, rolling it out, and even using fun things like cookie cutters to make shapes, cut them out, and then ball it back up again and start over. All right, you wanna make this fun craft and get your hands on this gallon jug of Aleene's Tacky glue, head to Aleene's website where you can purchase it and find other great fun ideas from makers like me. And as always, follow me over at CraftboxGirls and CraftboxKids.com and on social. I've got tons of projects using my favorite Aleene's products. All right, I don't know about you, I'm gonna go have fun with my daughter and this dough, and I'm gonna play with it too. Happy crafting, friends.